Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like today, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about princess cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you're new my channel, don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love my cake decorating ideas. I hope you love my creativity of cake designs. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. I am sure birthday cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I provide you simple cake design ideas that enhance the applications of beauty and amazing designs. And I hope you like this decoration with themed color combinations and cake designs. All the cake designs are amazing and beautiful. The creativity of cake design is so amazing. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby shower, bridal shower, groom showers, anniversaries, or any other celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like any designs and if you're new my channel, don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. These designs are very unique. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you like these decorations. I hope you enjoy my video. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure birthday cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it, and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.